Hello students, again we are going to do profitability ratio. I am taking three more sums for your more clarity and understanding. I have already written questions. See question number 1 now. They have given you cost of RFO, okay? Operating expenses given to you, sales given, sales return. So if you take a difference of these two items, this will give you RFO, means net sales. So what is your net sales RFO? 5 lakhs. So if you minus these two, you get the RFO amount, that is 5 lakh, which we are going to use this amount in our solving. 5 lakh RFO. They are asking us to find operating ratio. Now in exam you are supposed to write formula first. So what is the formula for operating ratio? Operating cost upon RFO into 100. So you are going to write your answer in percentage. Operating cost you need to find, not given in the sum directly to you. RFO we just now got 5 lakh. So your RFO amount is 5 lakh. So we are just going to do working note for finding operating cost. So let's do working note, students. This is your final answer in percentage. Now let's do working note. You need to find operating cost. Now how to get operating cost, student? You will add cost of RFO plus your operating expenses. When you add these two, cost of RFO and operating expense, you get operating cost. Let's see, cost of RFO is given. Yes, it is given, 3 lakh. Operating expense, yes, even that is given, 1,20,000. So what is your operating cost? 4,20,000. So 4,20,000 is your operating cost. Now it's very easy to find, just simply divide and you get the answer. 4,20,000 divided by 5 lakh. Your answer is 84%. Now one more important thing, student, here. Operating ratio. What if they ask you operating profit ratio? See, I am going to give you some new info now. So pay attention and listen. Operating profit ratio. Now students, one important thing. Never forget that these two ratios are complementary to each other. I mean to say, if you add operating ratio and operating profit ratio, your answer will be always 100%. So if you add both the ratios, you will get 100%. That is called complementary to each other. So even if one ratio you know, you can find the other one. So operating ratio, just now we found operating ratio is 84%. So 84 plus operating profit ratio is equal to 100. Therefore, operating profit ratio is equal to 100 plus 84 will become minus 84. It will be 16%. So just remember, these two ratios are complementary to each other. Means if you add both the ratios, it has to be equal to 100. So that is how we also found one additional ratio here, just to link it. I have just done it together. Now let's move on to the second question. Average inventory is given 1,60,000. ITR is given. ITR is inventory turnover ratio, 6 times. Selling price is 25%. Above cost, they want us to find gross profit ratio. Fine. Now, your answer will start with the ratio itself. What is formula for gross profit ratio, students? Gross profit upon RFO into 100. Gross profit given directly to you? No. RFO sales is there? No. Okay, both the value you need to find. For that I am going to do a working note. And your answer will be in percentage. Let's start with the working note, students. Now, ITR. Let's use this formula first. What is formula for inventory turnover ratio? Cost of RFO upon average inventory. Am I right, student? Inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of RFO upon average inventory. This is given to you 6 times. ITR is 6 times. It's given. Cost of RFO we don't know. We are finding this. Average inventory is given, students. It is 1,60,000. Therefore, cost of RFO equal to 6 divide will become multiply on the other side. 1,60,000. So if you multiply this, you will get to know cost of RFO. 1,60,000 into 6. That is 9,60,000 is your cost of RFO. I need RFO and gross profit. Now use this relation. So this is working note number 1. Now working note number 2. They said that selling price is 25% above cost means on cost. Here above cost means on cost. And we know the cost, student. We know the cost. Cost is 9,60,000. So 25% of cost, that is 9,60,000, will give you selling price. Selling price is nothing but RFO, students. You got the RFO. It's not RFO. It's a gross profit, student. Gross profit is 25%. So 9,60,000 ka 25%, 2,40,000. This is not RFO, this is gross profit. 2,40,000. You need gross profit? Yes, you need gross profit. What is gross profit? 2,40,000. Now, third step. RFO we don't know. RFO we don't know. We need to find. What is the formula to find RFO? Cost of RFO plus gross profit. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. This is school ka formula. Selling price equal to cost price plus profit. Don't write this school ka formula, students. You have to write ISC level formula. That is RFO, cost of RFO plus profit. What is cost of RFO, students? 9,60,000 plus gross profit 2,40,000. So what is your sales, selling price, sales, students? 12 lakh. So 12 lakh. Now you will get the ratio. 2,40,000 divided by 12 lakh into 100. That is 20%. This is how you will solve the sum. If you have not understood, you can replay the video again and again. You can go through it so that you will understand. Now the last sum. Operating ratio is given. Operating expense, sales return. Sales return. If you minus this, you will get to know RFO. So what is RFO? 5,60,000. So if you minus sales and sales return, you get RFO. So your RFO is 5,60,000. What they are asking us to find? Cost of RFO. Fine. So we know the cost, revenue, sales we know. Let's use this formula, students. Operating, first step, operating ratio. What is formula for operating ratio? Operating expenses, operating cost upon RFO into 100. This is your formula. Operating ratio is given to you, 92%. Don't write percent, student. Your answer is 92. When you solve this, your answer is 92. So don't write 92%, just write 92. Operating cost we don't know, students. Write it as this only, operating cost. RFO just now we subtracted 5,60,000 into 100. Therefore, operating cost will be equal to 5,60,000 is in division, other side it will become multiply. Multiply 100 on the other side will become divide 100. This will give you operating cost. 5,60,000, 5,60,000 into 92 divided by 100. It's 5,15,200. So this is your operating cost. Now students, we know the operating cost. Fine. So now, how to get operating cost? Operating cost, this is your second step now. Operating cost is equal to what, students? You have to add this to a thing. Cost of RFO plus operating expense. So when you add these two elements, you get operating cost. If you add these two things, you get operating cost. You refer to my solving formula which I have given to you in the previous video. Now, operating cost you just now found. It is 515, 200. Cost of RFO, we don't know, we are finding it. Plus operating expenses given 94,000. Therefore, cost of RFO is equal to this plus 94 on the other side becomes minus. So minus 94,000. So this is your answer. Minus 94,000. 4,21,200. 4,21,200 is your answer. Do practice this sum, students. Thank you.